Hello and welcome to the Scrap Room. I'm Tina Gill and this is your December card kit. The card kit comes out every other month and is jam-packed full of supplies to create cards. You're going to receive 6 card bases and envelopes, but there is a lot more of product to do than just 6 cards. So this month is all about Prima and the Dulce collection. As you can see, it is a beautiful, beautiful collection. Just a whimsical, fun, sweet with the pink and the minty green and some bling. So let's dig in and take a closer look at everything that's going to be in this kit. You'll start with your 6 card bases, 6 envelopes, and then you have 8.5 by 11 cardstock. So you're going to receive 2 sheets of the Buttermint, a sheet of white, and a sheet of Pinkini. So you can use those to create extra card bases. Just by cutting them in half, you can get 2 more card bases, or use them to mat your pattern papers and to make the fronts on your cards. Or even get your dies out or your punches and create some shapes and embellishments with the cardstock that way as well. The paper is from Prima, from the Dulce collection, and you're going to receive 2 to 4 sheets each, depending on what you get. So this is going to vary a little bit, but I'm going to go through here and show you. So this one is a cut apart sheet. So perfect to tuck in little embellishments and just make little layers on your paper. The back is this beautiful sweet design with the cotton candy and the bouquets on the sugar cones. So that is the back of that one. Then we have another cut apart. Look at this sweet little fairy here. Carousels and the carousel horses run throughout this collection. So I received 3 sheets in my kit of this, and the back is this beautiful kind of granite stone with sparkles. And then we have this one that says the Circus Girl, and it has the little pony here with the cupcakes. I just love how they mixed all of the sweet little flowers and the cupcakes and the carousels together. The back is this pink gingham, so a nice neutral. So there was 3 sheets of that one in my kit. We have another cut apart. Again, you'll see the cotton candy and the carousels run throughout. Love the little price. The little cards with the numbers. So this one, there was 2 in my kit, and the back are the tickets and then the strip with the cupcakes. So you could cut those apart and run as a border across your card, or cut some individually for embellishments. I have another cut apart. Dreams taste like cotton candy. Believe in your heart you're meant to live a life of purpose, miracles, and magic. So this collection is definitely all about the magic. The back is this really fun design there. Then I have another cut apart. This one, check out the bear on the bicycle. Totally the circus. Super sweet. Darling, I will follow you anywhere. Magical, sweet, and dreamy like you. Sweet and fluffy cotton candy. And the back is this gorgeous kind of newsprint design, but in the pink with the roses running throughout. So there was 3 of that one in my kit. So you can see lots of options in your pattern paper. You're also going to have a lot of options in your embellishments. You're going to receive half a pack of the puffy stickers. So these will vary, but this is the one that I got. And half a pack of the crystals. So they will vary. Look at all of the fun sparkle and that pink and that minty green. Then you're going to receive the full pack of ephemera. So there's 24 pieces. So I'll go through this so you can kind of see. Pull out the white cardstock here. So it is chock full, and it goes from larger pieces that you could just put on the front of your card to decorate and not really have to do anything else. That one is cupcake, down to smaller ones. That one has like a silver embossed script. Little heart. Look at those sweet little kittens. You can only go up. Beautiful flowers. The swings. As you can tell, lots of bigger pieces as well as smaller pieces. All within that fun theme and the beautiful florals and the pink and the minty green. You're also going to receive all of these beautiful Prima flowers. So you're going to receive half a pack of the Prima flowers. They're in the pink and the minty green and the off-white, as well as some leaves. So let me pull some up here close so you can see how gorgeous they are. So there's some that are just the petals and then some that are the roses. Be a beautiful addition to your cards. So that is a look at this month's card kit from Prima Dulce. We have lots of other kits available in the scrap room, so be sure to click out the links down below. We'll have a link to the store as well as the Facebook group, so come on over and see what the design team's creating with their card kit as well as all the other kits. Join in on some fun challenges to win some prizes. And if you haven't already subscribed to the YouTube channel, be sure to click that subscribe button and the notification bell. And thanks so much for watching. We can't wait to see what you create with your kits.